Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to tell you guys about some tips that I had for detoxing for weight loss, but it doesn't have to be for weight loss. It can be for anything. You guys know that I never just focus on one area of the body. I feel as though when you do something, it's going to affect everything. So it doesn't just have to be detoxing for weight loss, but these tips will especially help you if you're looking to lose some weight. So guys, I wanted to mention that in this video, I'm going to be going over some things that I personally have done, and we're also going to be talking about some methods that I learned while I was in school. You guys don't know this, but recently I just completed my certificate for school, and you guys know that a couple years ago I actually finished my health coaching course and got my certificate in that. And so this year I decided to go back to school again so that I can brush up on some of the things that I wanted to know in regards to detoxing. So this was something that was especially for detoxing, and also I wanted to figure out a little bit more about formulating clean products. So I actually just completed that and learned a lot of tips and tricks on detoxing that I'm going to mention to you guys in this video. So this intro is already getting too long, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. Hey guys, so the first way to detox, of course, is to drink water. Water is super important to your detox journey, just because water does help the body to eliminate toxins and anything that is not needed through waste. So drinking water is super important. And if you don't like to just drink straight up water, you can add like apple cider vinegar. You can also add like elderberry, which I like to add to my water. And you can also get like a really cute water bottle like I have here, where it tells you each time how much you're drinking, and it kind of gives you like a pep talk on the bottle. So that's pretty fun to do, so, and a lot more interesting than just drinking water in a glass cup. The next thing I want to recommend to you guys is to eat fiber. Of course, you can either eat fiber or you can do it another way, which I'm going to tell you guys in just a moment. But if you are into eating like leafy greens and like greens that have lots of fiber in them, it's really good for your body to get that type of nutrient, just because you want to make sure that you're kind of like getting everything moving. The main thing with detoxing is that you're having a lot of stuff just like sitting there or just like in your body that is not exiting the body. So why not get a little bit of help from fibery foods and things of that nature? As you guys see, I'm making this kale salad, which was so good, and I'm using this spicy cashew butter that I got from the store. And yeah, so if you are not in the mood for leafy greens, or if you just don't have time to make a huge salad like you see in this video, then you can always do a supplement. Today I am using this supplement, which is a fiber supplement from Bellway. I love that this company has organic fiber with little to no extra ingredients in it. So my favorite is this raspberry lemon. I like it. It tastes like juice a little bit. Just don't go overboard, and make sure that you do not put extra cold water into the fiber mixture, because that will make it very clumpy, and you don't want to make that a mistake. I did at first, and yeah, it just doesn't taste good. So make sure that you are keeping an eye on that. I do have a discount code down below for you guys if you're interested in Bellway products. It is Shantae25 for 25% off of your first order at Bellway. Also wanted to mention to you guys that I did contact Bellway and ask them about each of the ingredients that are in their mixture, and they were nice enough to explain to me everything, just so I can make sure that there were no like MSG or GMOs in their fiber, because of the amount of chemicals that can sometimes be in ingredients and products. I want to just make sure that I covered all the bases and found out a little bit more information. So I'm so glad that they were able to give me more information on that. And it also makes it a lot easier for those of you who just don't have time to kind of like look over the ingredients like I do. By the way, comment down below if you are currently on a detox kick or if you've ever tried any methods, and don't hesitate to share that with everyone down in the comment section. Okay, so the next thing that I wanted to cover is detoxing through your skin. And when you sweat, you actually eliminate toxins from your body. So if you want to go to a sauna, if you want to go and work out in the gym, walking, running, those things actually detox your body, and sweating is actually one of the best ways to detox. So body sweat, moisture coming from the body is an actual detox for the body. Of course, these things that I mentioned in the video will be even more effective if you did them all together. But exercising, getting your body moving, and releasing some of the toxins is one of the best things you can do to release and detox the body. The last method I wanted to talk about is a method that I learned while in school, and it's called the crowding out method. With the crowding out method, you actually don't really stop eating what you're eating all at once. You actually instead put in the healthy foods mixed with the foods that you're already eating, and the purpose of this method is to organically weed out the foods that you're eating while adding in healthier foods. So the method actually says that, and I know this is not just a method, it's something that I actually did when I first started my healthy lifestyle journey, and that's adding in foods and eating healthier foods to where you're not going to even want the unhealthy foods anymore. Your body's going to naturally start to reject the unhealthy foods. Now this method needs to be done correctly for it to work, but and that is by actually paying attention to what you're eating, but not trying to like put too much on yourself at once. And it's just like a sustainable way to do things, doing things one at a time, small batches, so that you're not overwhelming yourself, and you don't have to be on like one of those crash diets where you try to detox for like a month straight, and then after that detox you go right back to the way that you used to eat, or your body starts to shut down and you get like depressed or something like that, because you're putting way too much stress on your body by trying to be perfect. It's not about trying to be perfect, it's about doing things one step at a time so that you can ultimately get to the stage of your healthy journey that you want to be at.